Today we're going to be doing a filter replacement on the ZD21 inline diesel filters. There's one in front of the injector pump here. It's in between the injector pump and the lift pump or the fuel pump. There's also one underneath. Right here, this is your primary. It's usually the one that gets the most contaminants in it. So we're going to place both of these. Take a pair of nose pliers at curved ends. Take the clamps off. Flathead screwdriver. Move your lines loose. Twist the filter. And they usually pull off. Sometimes they can stick on there pretty good sometimes. They eventually come off. Take your new filter and find the air on it, which is here. Goes that way. This is the in, this is out. Twist it in there. That's your clamp, put it back on there. Pretty much it. Top was done. This one underneath can be a little bit more difficult. Up there. Cut the line off. Filter goes on. Put your clamps back up. One's on. Now that we have both these on, you can turn your key on and prime the system. It should start filling up. Let's see if it'll start up. Filters here had a little over 100 hours on them. I don't wait the 400 hour recommended. They start getting this color to the sides of them, that black. You can see that black down in them. I usually replace them. Most of the time you'll have a loss of power or start bogging down and they get full of trash and completely stopped up. If you keep going, eventually they will go dead. You'll be stuck in the middle of your yard, killing your grass, trying to change them.